Got no available buttermilk at home? In this video, we are going to show you how to make some of the easiest homemade buttermilk substitutes. Let's start with some buttermilk substitutes for baking. Milk and lemon juice. Whisk the ingredients in a bowl and wait for it to thicken until it's curd-like for about 5 to 10 minutes. Milk and cream of tartar. Whisk and combine the ingredients in a bowl, then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to thicken. Milk and apple cider vinegar. Whisk and combine the ingredients in a bowl, then allow it to thicken for about 5 to 10 minutes. Buttermilk substitutes for marinades and brines. Milk and yogurt. Whisk the ingredients until combined and thick, then let it sit for 5 minutes. Milk and sour cream. Combine the ingredients together by whisking until evenly incorporated. For those of you who are lactose intolerant, we've got the perfect buttermilk substitute for you, a vegan buttermilk. Soy milk and lemon juice. Whisk the ingredients together, then let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes to let it curdle. Almond milk and lemon juice. Stir the ingredients together and let it sit for at least 3 minutes to thicken. You can now worry less about trying out new recipes that call for it by trying out these buttermilk substitutes that would definitely come in handy. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.